Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a free account on TradingView. TradingView lets us analyze charts, track markets, and explore trading ideas from other users. We will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. On TradingView, we just need to click Get Started in the upper right or in the center of the page. Either option works, just click to continue. Now, in this section, we will be signing up for free. We just need to continue with our Google account and follow the confirmation steps. Next, we need to configure our account and complete some verifications. Here, to make sure we are signing up for a free account, we just need to click the option at the end. Do not click either of the other options. We just need to click Try Free. As we can see, we now have a free account on TradingView. From here, we can go to the charts and then the super charts to check the market. We can explore currencies and the crypto market. We have successfully created our free TradingView account. Now we can start exploring charts, analyzing markets, and improving our trading skills.